Unity is important for many reasons. When Nuer and Dinka communities work together, we create stronger families, safer towns, and better opportunities for our children. Division weakens us. History has shown that when we fight each other, we all lose our home, our land, and our future. Think about this. Our community share the same rivers, the same cattle tradition, the same struggle under colonial rule, and the same hope for freedom. We may speak different language, but our heart and dream are the same. Unity brings stability. When Nuer and Dinka leaders and communities collaborate, violence decreases, schools stay open, market thrive, and our children can go to bed at night without fear. That is why today more than ever, standing together is not an option, it is a responsibility. Let us look at our shared story. For centuries, Nuer and Dinka have lived side by side along Nile and its tributaries. We have traded cattle, shared grazing land, and helped each other in time of drought or famine. During colonial time, both communities suffered under foreign rule. Our ancestors fought together to defend their land and to protect their families. Even in time of dispute, there were systems in place to mediate and resolve conflict peacefully. We also share cultural values, respect for elders, deep attachment to family, and reverence for the land and cattle. Our music, dances, and rituals may have different names, but the purpose is the same: to honor life, community, and tradition. Understanding this shared story reminds us that division is not natural. It is created when outside forces, fear, or misunderstanding come between us. But when we remember our past, we can choose unity in the present. Today, there are examples of unity all around us. Local communities, elders, and youth organizations are taking bold steps to bring Nuer and Dinka together. In a school, children from both communities play, learn, and grow together. In market, traders cooperate for mutual benefit. Local elders are mediating dispute before they escalate into violence. In some towns, youth groups organize football matches, music events, and cultural gatherings to celebrate friendship between communities. These efforts show that peace is possible when ordinary people take action. Leadership is important, yes, but really change happens when families, neighbors, and friends decide that peace is better than conflict. By supporting these local initiatives, every one of us can help to build a stronger, more united South Sudan. When Nuer and Dinka communities cooperate, we show the world that our nation is resilient and capable of growth and worthy of peace. Many of the divisions we see today come from stereotypes and misconceptions. Some people believe that Nuer and Dinka are enemies, but nature. Others think that political leaders represent the view of everyone in their communities. These ideas are not true. Most Nuer and Dinka families live peacefully together every day. Most people want the same thing: safety, education, and a chance to provide for their children. To break stereotypes, we need to listen to each other, learn about our neighbor and their lives, celebrate our similarities, recognize shared tradition, values, and dreams, speak out against hatred, challenge rumors, lies, and misinformation wherever we see them, promote collaboration, join initiatives, community events, or projects that bring Nuer and Dinka together. Breaking stereotypes is not easy, but every act of misunderstanding and cooperation helps to create unity. Unity is stronger than division, and peace is possible if we work for it. Now, what can we do as individuals? Teach our children the value of friendship across communities. Support local initiatives that encourage dialogue, collaboration, and cultural exchange. Avoid spreading hate or rumors. Even a small word can escalate tension. Encourage leaders to focus on unity, cooperation, and peace rather than division. Every action can, each conversation, each gesture of goodwill, each effort to understand someone from the other community bring us closer to a unity South Sudan. To wrap up, I want to remind everyone, Nuer and Dinka have shared a long story. We have faced challenges together. We have the power to build a better future together. Unity is not just a dream, it is a choice we make every day. By remembering our shared past, supporting peace initiative, and breaking down stereotypes, we can create a South Sudan where our children grow in safety, opportunity, and hope. Thank you for listening and for caring about the future of communities. Please share this message, talk to your family, and help spread unity. Together, Nuer and Dinka can stand stronger than ever. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you can be able to hear about unity, peace, and development across South Sudan. The unity between Nuer and Dinka is very important. It is what will take South Sudan forward. Without unity, South Sudan will never develop. Only when South Sudanese people, especially Nuer and Dinka, come together, unite under one umbrella, and thinking about the future of South Sudan, that is the only way that will take South Sudan forward. Nuer and Dinka are brothers and sisters. So please, find it in your heart to unite one another, because it is the only way. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.